Hello, today we're talking about peace in your home, areas of peace, physical peace. And what I mean by that is the comfort of looking at something that is organized and tidy and clean. And that's what we do when we follow this FlyLady system. We are organizing, we are cleaning, we are creating places of comfort, places of peace for our family. So what could be more peaceful than a clean bedroom? What could be more peace creating than opening up your underwear drawer and there are clean things in there for you to wear, and your closet and your other things? What could be more wonderful and more peace creating than having a meal on the table at a regular time every day? So all of these things that you're doing in the FlyLady system as I teach it are leading to physical peace in your home, which is what we all crave. Have a great day.